This is Pennco Tech's Heat and Lab. We got the units against the wall. At the door. Got some central area units. You got your heating units. Little storage Mr. May has. Put it on YouTube, see what Lincoln Tech say.
This wiring. Getting all over the place.
Yep. Look at all the wiring to this place, man. They don't really teach you nothing. Don't trust Pennco Tech. Do not sign the contract. And if you do, leave before the 30 days is up. Look how old the units are, man, all messed up. You know what I'm saying? They don't work.
Shitty with little cats coming home too.
See, this is Pennco Tech's Heat and Lab. Got the inducers. Yeah, come on. Get your cat cell relays. Look here. And on this side of the door, you got your refrigeration lab.
You got the three fans, like that. It's the new one.
Thinking about thinking outside the line.
Like the brace part's hot.
He went way past the dot. That's bullshit. See? He didn't say how long the line was.
Games are unfair.
That's not a G. That's actually a G.
Yeah, I was looking at that. I almost had it too. I was looking at that. You were a second away.
I got the whole lab, everything.
I was like this. Look, I was like.
You know, like the reverse valve is like this. Three pipes. That means you're gonna be closer to that valve.
Lunchtime.
It's up.
One spray? Yeah. Me? Love recording. The memories in, right?
Put on that shit on YouTube. Get them pissed off like a motherfucker. No, we already got him on Pennco Tech now. Find out they can't even fucking put me on YouTube. Bro, look up Pennco Tech Scared.
Scared?
Scared on
It's already
YouTube.
up there?
Yep. What is it? What happened last night? How Mr. May locked us in a fucking lab and turned all the lights off.
Yeah, why'd you do that?
He was touching us. He got scared as hell. Yeah. And we just turned all this bullshit on YouTube. The labs, everything. Who?